Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook catfish in the oven. First, prepare your workspace by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup and to prevent sticking. Pat your catfish fillets completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a nice texture. Now, gather your spices and oils, ensuring everything is ready before the next step. For 2 pounds of catfish, you will need a simple, flavorful seasoning blend. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little warmth, then season with salt and black pepper to your preference. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over your dry fillets, then generously rub in this spice mixture on both sides. Carefully arrange your seasoned catfish fillets in a single layer on the parchment-lined baking sheet. Place them into your preheated 400 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fillets. The catfish is perfectly cooked when it flakes easily with a fork. You can also use a thermometer to ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your catfish is beautifully baked, transfer it to serving plates. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor considerably. This fish pairs wonderfully with simple sides, like steamed green beans or a crisp garden salad. For an extra touch, offer a small bowl of homemade tartar sauce or a fresh dill and yogurt dip. Garnish with some chopped fresh parsley for color and a fragrant finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.